Hello everyone, this is Nicole from Bouquet. Yes, aren't they gorgeous? Yeah, so they're nice and fluffy now. I love these roses. I know I said that before, but I really love these roses. Okay, so let's finish up putting our roses in. I don't cover up the bottom like so. And then we'll take our skinny ribbon, our 1 inch ribbon, and we're going to wrap our wooden holder. As I mentioned before, all of these things, accessories, parts of this bouquet that I'm using here, I just got blank. They're all included with your kit. You get your roses, you get your ribbon, you get your brooches if you want brooches. You'll receive brooches. The options will be there for you to select whether you want gold brooches, silver brooches, or you want the smaller pearl brooches. So we're just going to finish wrapping our holder here. And that's it. Look how easy that was. Oh my goodness, beautiful, beautiful. All right, so now here are the pictures I have. I have with the bling, with the pearl bling, and with no bling. Hey guys, don't forget to like this video to get it out to more people. It will really help my channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.